Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the length of tangent from an external point P on a circle with center O is. And we have given the options like that is always greater than OP, equal to OP, always less than OP, or information insufficient. Let us draw one circle with center at O. Here external point is there, which is P, and there is a tangent from this external point P. Suppose this is PQ. Join this OQ and this OP. Since if the tangent intersects the circle at Q, the PQO forms right angle triangle with hypotenuse PO. With hypotenuse here PO. As we know that hypotenuse is the largest in a triangle, so the length PQ is less than PO, as hypotenuse is the largest in a right angle triangle. So the length PQ is less than PO. So our correct option is here, option C, which is always less than OP.